On March 2nd, 2024, officers with the Lakeland Police Department responded to a car crash on Highway 33 North. One of the cars had rolled into a ditch, and what began as a potential rescue call quickly took a turn.
But all right?
Yeah, she was the driver. We were out here working, getting ready to pack up and head to the next spot, and heard a bang. I'm assuming it was the car hitting the curb over here because our wheel is on the other side of the road. Then we ran over, got to the other side of the sign where we could actually see because we're over in the turn lane. She's flipping through the air and landed in the ditch. He stopped to help out too.
She inside the vehicle at all?
Yeah, no, she was. Yeah, we couldn't hear her at first, but
she like the driver's seat and stuff.
I don't know what side. All I know, I just dragged her out. The side we came out of.
Okay.
And the other tire is right there across the street.
You all right, ma'am?
I'm sure.
Everything all right? Your car's upside down.
It is.
You positive you're all right? You positive you're all right? Okay, so what happened?
I wish I could tell you. I'm not too sure.
You're not too sure. Well, which way were you coming from?
Lakeland?
Well, yes, we're in Lakeland.
To Tampa.
Okay, well, I'll break it down a little bit more. Which way were you coming from?
I just know it was Lakeland.
So, somehow you got to here. So on the roadway, which way were you going? Do you remember?
I was going home.
Okay, were you going this way or that way?
That way.
You were going that way? So you said you were going this way.
I was going that way.
Going that way. So you're going that way, something happened and you ended up over here.
Unfortunately, yes.
Do you know why this happened or what?
I don't.
You don't know? Do you have your driver's license on you by any chance or know where it's at or?
I don't know where it's at.
You don't know where it's at? You don't need medical or anything like that.
I'm okay. Could you help me out?
Yeah, what's going on?
A lot.
Okay. But again, you don't need medical or anything like that. Because
I'm
you have
okay.
airbag deployment, the vehicle rolled over. I'm assuming you're wearing a seatbelt because you're intact, which is great. Is your purse in there?
Just my wallet. That's all I had with me.
So, what is your name?
I'm getting in trouble.
Huh? What's your name? I kind of need your name because I'm working a crash.
Do you?
100% I do.
Where's the other car?
The other car? What other car?
That I crashed with?
What other car did you crash with?
You said there was a crash.
Yes, you rolled your vehicle over. This is a vehicle crash. Did you hit that by any chance?
Not sure.
So if you hit that, because I'm seeing that's probably your wheel that's over there. Yeah, now there's property damage. So yeah, it's 100% a crash. So I need your name, okay? You also don't have your driver's license, and I need that because I'm working a crash.
No, yeah, I have my driver's license. It fell out of my pocket.
So because you don't have your driver's license right now, I'm just asking for your name. What's your name?
Can we find my driver's license?
No, you're giving me your name. This isn't how this is going. I'm working a vehicle crash, okay? So I need your name, where you live at, your date of birth, everything.
Can we find my driver's license?
That's not how this works. I am working a crash investigation right now. I need your name,
No, yeah, I understand.
your date of birth, and where you live at.
Can we look for it?
Ma'am, listen. I don't know what your name is right now, but here's the thing. You're about to walk yourself into handcuffs right now for impeding my investigation. I am working a car crash right now.
I'm not impeding anything.
You are.
right
You're
now.
not giving me your name right now. You're interfering with my investigation. I'm working a car crash. If this is your vehicle or your parents' vehicle, guess what? A crash report has to be done because of this damage right here. Guess what? You're a driver. These fine gentlemen here helped you out of the vehicle unless you had a passenger. Do you have a passenger by any chance?
I don't.
Okay, so you're the only person in the vehicle. I need your name. We don't even know where your stuff is at right now. We will worry about that later. That's okay, but I need your driver's license.
We look
So
for
what is
it.
your name?
I'll help you look for my driver's license.
No, what is your name? This is the last warning I'm giving you, and then I'm going to put you in handcuffs. 100%.
Okay.
So what is your name?
I'll help you look for my driver's
All right,
license.
we're not playing this. Go and surround, place your hands behind your back. We're not playing this.
Okay.
We're not playing this, ma'am. I'm giving you every single opportunity for you to give me your name. You're not giving me your name. I have to work a vehicle crash. Right now, you're being charged with resisting without violence for impeding my investigation. Do you need medical by any chance?
I don't know.
Okay. come this way with me?
Please.
We're not playing this. Did you hit your head at all?
Okay.
And you're wearing your seatbelt, correct? Do you have any medical complaints right now? Yes or no?
No.
Okay. Can you please have a seat for me? Did she hit that over there too?
The pole. I think what happened was
You can see it.
yeah, you can see the track mark. I'll show you.
Yeah, I don't have another unit right now. And
See the tire marks right there. She hit
Okay.
this pole.
Hey, I would honestly, I don't know
Smack
what
that.
she's been saying,
The
but she
door
definitely
skin's still
needs to be
laying
by
right there at the
EMS.
base of it.
She's probably in shock right
It
now.
looked like she didn't see
there
the
might be something else on board too, but
yeah,
we'll
oh,
get
yeah,
we'll get to that point.
She's very skinny, so I get that.
So you guys helped her out of the actual vehicle.
She, honestly, we were talking to her on this side of the vehicle, and she was saying something, and then all we saw was the car start just rocking a little bit. We went to the other side of the car, and she literally started crawling out. So we just,
driver's
Her toe
side?
was sticking out under the airbag
The-
like she was.
From the driver's side?
yeah, I guess the driver's side.
You're still doing okay? Alright, I'm going to have EMS check you out regardless, just because I want to make sure you didn't have any, like, concussions or anything like that. So I figured out where you're coming from. You're actually coming from that side. But then you hit that, which is what caused them to hear that. And then somehow the rollover happened, and then you end up over here. So you're going to tell me your name? We're under arrest right now. Well, we know that. For the resisting. Because you're not providing me your name. Right, I'm going to get a fingerprint reader here, and I'm going to put your finger on that fingerprint reader, and I'm going to find your name. Okay? So, there's that ahead of time. So the other thing is, are you medically okay? Did you hit your head or anything like that?
Okay.
Now, they're coming here to check you out. You're talking to me pretty normal. You seem fine and all that stuff like that, but I just want to make sure you're not concussed. You don't have different pupil sizes. There's no bruising underneath your eyes. That's a good sign. Okay? I still have to check that out. Make sure you're good to go.
Okay.
If you want to shoot them away or whatever, that's fine, but I need their medical judgment to make sure you're good to go.
Okay.
And then I will proceed from there. Is there anything in that vehicle I got to be worried about? Well, it's getting towed, so I have to inventory it. So is there going to be anything in that vehicle I got to be worried about? No. I'll see if I can find your driver's license or anything like that. Okay. Is the vehicle registered to you?
It is, yes.
It is? Okay. Like her panel's still over there. The door panel is still over there. Let's smack this. Oh, she is in the Air Force. Yeah, she's in the Air Force. Is that the last name on it? Yeah.
She's alert and oriented times 3, complaining of no injury, so if anything changes, obviously you can call us back, but she's impaired and so she's not hurt. So.
Okay.
Alrighty.
Yep. You guys are the experts. Is your name Rosa Gamino?
You figured it out?
What's your date of birth? I also see the Air Force utility. I was in the Marine Corps.
Are you?
Alright, Rosa, you have the right to remain silent. Do you understand? I need a verbal yes or no for each and every one of these. Anything you say can and will be used to get you in a court of law. Do you understand? Right. You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have him or her present with you while you're being questioned. Do you understand? Good. If you can afford to hire a lawyer, want to be appointed to represent you before any questions if you wish. Do you understand? Right. You can decide anytime to exercise these rights, not answer any questions or make any statements. Do you understand each of these rights that I've explained to you?
Yes.
Or having these rights read to you, do you wish to talk to me? No? Okay. So, I understand you don't want to talk to me. There are some things I do need to know. Is your name Rosa? Gamino?
Yes.
Okay. Do you live in Florida?
No, yes.
Did you just get out of the Air Force?
I just joined the Air Force.
Oh, you just joined? Like you're currently in the Air Force right now, right? Like you're actively in? Like you have a cat card and everything? Like in the Air Force? Like you've been sworn in, you've taken an oath? Like you've already went through, I guess, the airman training and all that stuff like that? You have a cat card? Do you have a duty station yet? This is actually important stuff that I do need to know.
Is it?
Yes, because if you're active duty right now and you're on leave, I have to let your chain of command know what has happened to you. I was once in the military. If something happened... Yeah, I'm a Marine.
Okay.
right? If something happens to you, if you're on leave, or if you're on a 72, or a 92, whatever extended time it is, your chain of command has to know what has happened to you. Are you in the Air Force active duty right now, or are you reserve? What is it?
Tell me.
How am I going to know you? You know you the best.
Do I?
Yes. So are you active duty right now or no? This isn't going away. This isn't making anything easier. This isn't helping your case right now. Are you active duty, yes or no? It's the logistical part. Seriously, if you're active duty right now, your chain of command's got to know like you're all right and like everything's okay. Because for example, you don't have a car right now. If you're stationed, like let's say out in Texas, how are you going to get back to Texas?
That's a good question.
You know, how are you going to be okay and not marked as able? They have to be notified.
Right.
You see what I'm saying? That's if you're active duty. If you're no longer active duty, which you told me you just joined, which means you're either on leave, because I don't know of any Air Force bases besides MacDill, unless you're stationed at a MacDill, or it's out of state, right? Do you have any medical issues whatsoever? Like, do you have diabetes or epilepsy?
I have to use the restroom.
Okay, we'll get to that point. Do you have diabetes or epilepsy?
Not that I know of, no.
Neither of it?
No.
Do you have any weird allergies?
Not that I'm aware of.
Any like life-saving medication that you need by any chance, like a rescue inhaler or anything like that?
Not that I'm aware of, no.
Okay, so you have like no medical issues that I have to be worried about.
I have to use the restroom. That's what you have to be aware of.
It's not the medical issue I'm talking about.
What do you
I'll
mean
get you
that's
to a restroom. I'm not worried about that.
Okay.
Okay, but no medical stuff, right? Any contacts or glasses?
I'm getting glasses soon.
Okay, so but you're not prescribed them right now or anything like that?
If I'm getting them soon, they're prescribed, yes.
Well, if you're getting glasses prescribed, are you wearing contacts now?
No, not right now, but I'm getting them soon.
You have a phone in there? If so, we'll try to find it. All right.
The woman was arrested and charged with driving under the influence, causing property damage, and resisting an officer without violence. All charges are misdemeanors, but if convicted, she could face up to 3 years in jail, $3,000 in fines, and probation.